Hello, guys. We're back at it again. We got it's the second video of the promo. This is a sweater we got from the previous video. And we received a couple boxes last week, which was another a month and a half from the last time we recorded the video. And I wasn't gonna make a video of that because it's the same. It was 2 sweaters, like 3 shirts, and a couple hats, and some other towels and beach towels. So this is a sweater. This is an extra large, heavy duty zipper. It's 80 cotton, 20 polyester. Good quality. Graphic and the back, Monster Energy. On the hood, it's got the Monster emblem, kind of like a Salty Crew shirt. Little sleeve, they usually put those. Pockets. Everything's legit. It's good. I like them. This is an extra large. Decent size. Good heavyweight. Yeah, like I said, we had received some stuff that was. Anyways, so let's do the 60 tap kit. What you got there?
All right, we got this one.
All right. 60 tap kit.
Let's see what's inside.
So as you guys looked at the website, and it's supposed to be some stickers and goodies and whatnot. So stickers, you get 1 sheet. Not like the last promo they had where they had like 3 or 5 sheets or something like that. And these are like photo paper, copy paper, like a photo paper you print at home, type of glossy.
Yeah, it feels thinner than the last one.
Yeah, they feel okay. They're not bad. I
feel like they can do better.
Yeah, they could have done better than last time. And these are from the last promo right here. I got a sheet left right here. See this? It's a little heavier weight. You could hear it and feel it.
Yeah, and then
yeah. I wouldn't put this on your motorcycle or anything like that, or helmet.
It's not like strong or
it's
anything.
Not strong at all. And these are, you can see like in the little grooves, it's got a
put in your car.
Yeah, you can put in your car, your bike, motorcycle,
Not
anything.
this one.
Yeah.
It'll feel like you printed it.
Yeah. These you can put on a helmet, take a beating, they'll get scratched up if you fall or eat it, it's good heavyweight. The old ones were. The new ones, good for a folder or sticker bomb, a bathroom or something like that, a table or whatever you want, whatnot.
Yeah. All
right, so let's move on to the satchel, whatever you want to call it. Good quality. I didn't expect this to be this quality. This is a good size regular backpack. You could put books if you really wanted to. Full size.
Yeah, it's actually pretty strong.
Yeah, look at that. Zipper. Good quality. You got.
It has little pockets.
Yeah, good size pockets. Put your phone, organized pencils, whatever you calculators or whatever it is that you're gonna do. You could go hiking or bike riding.
Little things.
Yeah, you could throw whatever in there. You're gonna go to the gym. It's perfect for anything like that. Something like that. Hook. I'm not sure for what. You could hook your keys or who knows, whatever you want to use it for. It's got a little pocket here. Or your phone. Good size. Yeah, about a phone. Could fit a good size phone. Inside, it's not lined. It's just straight.
No pockets.
No pockets. It looks like it had a little bit, probably, but it's
they could have put pockets.
They could have put. But
like this is pretty good. Huh?
This is good. It is really good. I wouldn't. It's definitely good. We go take the
Nothing to
bikes.
complain about it.
Yeah, no complaints. Really
Yeah.
good stuff right here. Love this one. What else we got?
We got a bottle.
Water bottle. Sports bottle. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Well, make this quick. Water bottle, decent, BPA free, made in China. Little gasket right there, rubber gasket.
It
Good
looks
quality.
like a sweet squeeze bottle and strong.
Yeah, it'll do. Mountain bike, it'll take a beating if it falls. It'll do.
Yeah.
What else we got?
So, a little
Wristband. This is the wristband. Light up wristband.
Oh, it looks really nice. Ooh.
Let's check that out. Clear, pretty thick. And there you go. That looks nice.
Whoa, you can see all the
Yeah,
lettering.
lettering looks legit. It's really cool. Perfect for, I don't know, go bike riding at night or
During Halloween.
Or Halloween.
Halloween's coming.
Halloween's coming. If you get yours, you're expecting it by Halloween, you're good. Put your wrist is small. Let's see.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
That
Would
definitely
look
looks
better
cool.
in the dark, honestly.
Yeah, definitely dark. It looks really cool.
Yeah,
All right.
hello.
What else you got?
So, we got this.
Bottle opener. Uber Monsters. This is the, what do they call it? The internet. I forgot what they call it. It's the international monster, whatever you want. It's a good heavyweight steel, thick gauge. It's
strong.
You know what? This looked loose. It had hardware. I think it had screws. That's what the screws are for.
Oh, that's why there's screws in it?
Yeah, I thought we saw screws.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. It came with screws. That's what that
It probably
was.
fell out of the bag right now.
Yeah, everything was pretty beat up. Good size. I like it. Good bottle opener. Put that right there. What else you got?
Like a keychain? Oh, not like a...
Yeah, keychain. Little neck chain. A lanyard.
Yeah.
This is the lanyard. Good quality.
Nice.
360 loose. Tangle up. It's not the safety kind, so if it gets caught in your neck, you'll get you'll choke you out. But I still definitely use it. It's really cool.
Yeah.
A+ on this one. What else you got?
We got this.
Another bottle opener, keychain, or leave it on top of your entertainment table.
Hold it, like, switch it off.
Let's see. This is from that. I think they had a little bottle, or the Pride bottle one. The little design was from the. What is the brew? The Monster Brew. I think it was a Monster Brew, something like that. It was a good drink. I haven't seen that in a while. Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
it's engraved. It says Uber Monster. Yeah, my bad. Uber Monster. Heavyweight. Steel. Good stuff. Was that all that was in the box? Yeah. All right. What else?
That was actually pretty good.
And the second box. It's the same stuff. We'll go ahead and pop it open. Just to show the same items. Get the bottle.
Yeah, they get better than the...
Put that one next to that. The sticker pack, which is... And the satchel, whatever you want to call it. The bottle opener.
Bracelet.
And that. You guys will love this kit. It's pretty cool. For the 60 tabs, you can't go wrong. Oh, there's another lanyard. Definitely hop on that deal if you guys are gonna get it. Get it if they still have it. It takes a while to get it. Subscribe, like, comment for sure, and see you guys in the next video.
Yep. Hope you enjoyed.
Bye.